Like many different types of software, Microsoft Excel allows you to copy, cut, and paste a range of different information using its Clipboard function. There are three ways of accessing these functions. The first is in the Home tab by finding the Clipboard group in the top left. The second is by right-clicking with your mouse. And the third is using keyboard shortcuts. To copy your work, highlight the cells that you want to copy and then select the copy function. To paste this, place your cursor in the cell where you want the information to go and then select the paste function. You can also cut the material away. When you cut, you remove the information from its original source, and then when you paste it, you'll place it in its new source. Only one copy of the information will remain. This is different to the copy function, where two copies will remain. To use the cut function, highlight the cells that you want to cut, and then select the cut function. You then paste your information as directed. The Format Painter will copy the style and formatting of a cell. To use the Format Painter, select the cell of the formatting that you want. Select the Format Painter, and then highlight the cells that you wish to apply the formatting to. You'll see it change.